I came into the program with a degree in fashion merchandising and psychology. I left with a degree in business, and I am now a buyer. I think when I was looking around at different programs, I saw that this one had real-life hands-on experience, and that's kind of what I felt like I was missing from my undergraduate degree. I just didn't feel like I was ready to go out into the workforce yet. Some of the more valuable aspects of the program that I thought would help me get to my goal was making connections and working in consulting and getting a little bit of that negotiating experience. I think the majority of the skills I picked up in the program were soft skills, learning how to make a pitch, present in a business setting, talk to business partners, how to respond to interview questions. These were things that I never experienced in undergrad. I've always wanted to become a buyer, so I've kind of achieved that goal, but I think my next step would be a senior buyer, a leader among buyers, and I'm really passionate about training and developing. I think the return on investment was great because you're putting so much work into yourself for a year, but it's all those qualities that have really stuck with you for the rest of your life. I think I'm most surprised to see the growth in myself from September to May. And I'm also surprised just to see the connections that I've made, friendships, career advisors, professors, how I'm still in touch with them today. I've graduated almost 6 years ago, and I'm still reaching out to professors and advisors now. My connection to the faculty and peers are definitely lifelong. I think that's something that's huge, and I think a really big thing that you can carry on far beyond your time at Questrom'.